Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to download and install MongoDB software on Windows 10 or 11. So let's understand what is the MongoDB. Let's understand what is the MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. Data will be stored in the format of collections, right? So let's share some bullet points. MongoDB. So you may have used older version of MongoDB, like 4.4.xx something. So it is a single software. If you are using latest version like 8.2.3, now currently I'm installing 8.2.3. It contains server as a one software and client as a one software. We need to install two. See, we need to install two. This is the MongoDB 8.2.3. This is a this is a MongoDB server and MongoDB shell 2.5.10. It is a MongoDB client. We need to install these two. In older versions, we need to install only one. We need to download and install only one software. But here we need to do two. And MongoDB server. We need to just MongoDB same as older MongoDB to start the MongoDB server. To start MongoDB client Mongo sh, right? Let's download the softwares. Let's download the softwares. Let's open the Chrome browser. Chrome. So MongoDB download. MongoDB download. And the MongoDB community server download. Let's start this post server. See enterprise advanced. This is the paid version compared to community free version. More features are available. Now currently we are installing the community server. It is free of cost. Here we need to choose the version. So it is the current version 8.2.3. I am not changing current version only. I want to install platform like Linux, Mac, Windows, multiple are there. Windows is at last it will be there. You can scroll down last. You need to scroll down to last. There last Windows will be there. Packaging. It is recommended to packaging as zip. So just we need to extract. That's it. Installation will be completed. So MongoDB community server download. Control C. So let's add some bullet points. So MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. Database. Database, comma. Data will be stored in the form of collections. That's it, right? So download and install. Download and install steps. Step 1, download MongoDB server. This is the download link. Let's copy. Download MongoDB client. To download MongoDB client, so let's go back. This is the cell. Cell is nothing but client. So scroll down. See, this is the MongoDB cell. See, MongoDB cell. So see, two versions only there. 1.10.6, 2.5.10. So 2.5.10 platform Windows 10 or 11. GIF or MSA. GIF. Download. Copy this. Control V. So step step 3. We need to create data slash db folder. So we need to create data slash db folder in C drive. There MongoDB files will be stored. So create a directory in C drive. C drive like data slash db data slash db. We need to create a directory in C drive like data slash db. Let's do this. Go to C drive. See there is no data slash db. Right click. Here some files will be stored without this folder. We will get error. Data open under data db. So go to C drive data db. Right? As of now empty. After running the MongoDB server, I will show here some files will be there. So closing. Next, let's check. It is the sh means cell. Cell is downloaded. Let's create one folder to store this MongoDB software like D drive. So softwares. Let's create a one MongoDB folder. Make sure no spaces between MongoDB. Mongo MongoDB. No spaces. MongoDB. Right? Go to D drive. Control X cell. This is the cell. Softwares. MongoDB. Control V. Extract. So more options. 7-zip. Extract here. So extraction is done. Right? MongoDB cell. Extraction is done. Go to bin folder. The Mongo sh executable file will be there, right? This after this path, I will add in the environmental variables. That means global access everywhere in the system. Like you are in D drive, C drive, another folder. We can able to open the CMD. We can access this MongoDB. So without adding this up to bin folder in environmental variable, if you want to access, then we need to open up to this folder. Then we need to type CMD. Then only we can access this executable file. So let's open the environmental variables. So environmental variable two types, right? User variables, system variables. Let's add first path. Path. If not available path, we can add. So if not available, we can take new variable name, variable value. A path already available, so I am just editing new. So it is done. Now system again path, edit new. So now step 4, set the environmental path. Set the environmental path up to the bin folder. Up to the bin folder. Step 4, set the environmental path up to the bin folder. Bin folder of MongoDB cell. MongoDB cell. So step 5, same. Set the environmental path up to the bin folder of MongoDB cell is done, right? Server. First we need to run the server, not the cell. So it is downloaded quickly. That's why I done the setup. So let's wait until downloading the server. So we need to start like we need to each for server one CMD. We need to use for cell. We need to use another CMD, right? So let's check download progress. It will take another 2 minutes to download the MongoDB. So once successfully installation is done, I will show auto start MongoDB server and auto start MongoDB client, and I will show all databases and auto create a new databases. Auto create a new database. So wait some time. It is almost completed. So cell download and installation is done. So MongoDB server downloading is in progress. Installation is just we are extracting the zip file. That's it, and we are adding the bin folder to the environmental variable. Is called the installation. Yeah, MSA file. If you are downloaded MSA file, it will give options. We need to choose one by one. Like we need to finish. If you want to uninstall, just delete the zip file. That's it. But if you are using MSA, you need to go to the control panel. You need to uninstall there. This is the different zip and MSA. Zip is the very less risk. If you are install MSA, these some of the files may be stored in OS configurations as well. So it is installation is done. So let's wait. It will give one folder icon. This kind of icon. Show in folder icon. So control control X. Go to D drive, softwares, MongoDB, control V, right click. So more options. 7-zip. Extract here. In your system, if 7-zip is not there, you can extract normally only. Windows will be provided some extractor. You can use that. So in cell Mongo sh will be there, right? It is a executable file. In Mongo server, MongoDB will be there. MongoDB will be there. So environment move. So path edit. You need to move up. First server will be there. After that client will be there. Server client. Same edit path move up. Server client sh. So MongoDB commands. MongoDB commands. So after download and installation is done. So let's run some MongoDB command to check it is working or not. To start MongoDB MongoDB server. What is command for that? MongoD. Let's go to the bin folder. Let's verify D drive softwares MongoDB bin here MongoD. So cmd MongoD. So server is started. Next to start the client to start MongoDB to start MongoDB client or cell. Command is mongo sh mongo mongo sh. Let's check mongo sh executable file is there or not. So softwares MongoDB mongo sh bin the mongo sh. We need to take the new cmd. So mongo sh. See it will be must in listening mode. See blinking test. So symbol and blinking, right? This means it is listening mode, waiting for our commands. Waiting for our commands. Next, let's show all databases. So show all databases. Show all databases. So DBS. So DBS. Plus this is the client or cell. So DBS. The admin, config, local. These are the three databases are there. So I want to create new databases. New database. Create new. Create new database. To create to show all databases. To create a new database or use existing database. Command is use new database or existing database. Use new database name. Use space new database name. So new database, suppose FST. Switch it to DB FST. So DBS. So here admin config local, but it is showing FST here. But in this list, I want FST currently the empty collection, right? Some collection is required to available here. For that, I will add some collection db dot student dot insert. Suppose student have name, right? Every student have name. So student name, yes name colon. Suppose I am a student. That's it. This is the collection. Inside collection JSON will be there. Inside JSON key value pairs will be there. Student name, my name. Enter. So one collection will be inserted. But this is collection dot insert is deprecated. Ignore this. Let's use so DBS. See now. So DBS. See now. Admin config FSD local. Our own collection will be there, right? 8 KB, I think. KB will be the data. So in this way, we can download and install MongoDB on Windows, either 10 or 11 version. So we need to install the MongoDB server separately. We need to install a MongoDB seller client separately. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.